Welcome to TryRevise, and today we're going to be looking at the heart. We advise you to have a piece of paper and a pen nearby so you can pause the video and write down the answers when we say each number. The way this video is going to work is we're going to say a number of the heart. We would like you to pause the video and, as we said, write down the answer of what you believe this part of the heart is called. We will then want you to play the video and see if you're correct. We will do this throughout the number pieces of heart we have got. In another video, we will explain what these pieces of heart do. This is helpful for your GCSE science exams. B7. First up, number 1, here. Please pause the video and write down what you believe number 1 is. We will give you 5 seconds to do this, but we advise you spend longer thinking of the answer. And play. Number 1 is the right ventricle. Now moving swiftly on, as we said, we will not explain what these parts do until another episode, which will be coming up very shortly. Number 2 here. What's number 2? Again, same process. We'll give you 5 seconds to pause the video and write down what you believe the correct answer is. Please put a tick next to the previous answer if you were right, and put a cross and the correct answer if you were wrong. Play. Number 2 is the left ventricle. You can remember this because they're both ventricles, and although that one looks like on the left, if you place this in your heart, that will be the right. So imagine it going into your body. We move swiftly on to number 3, up here. Maybe I just see that. Should I just move over a little bit? Number 3, same process again. We shall pause it, and you write down the answer. Number 3 is the left atrium. Moving swiftly on. Number 4. Number 4 is the right atrium. Again, opposites. Moving very swiftly on, we go to number 5. Number 5 is actually this valve here. As you may know, just be able to see it. So, what is number 5? Ooh. Again, it's just this one here. Number 5 is the pulmonary valve. Moving very swiftly on indeed. It's number 6, this one here. The valve again, sorry, number 6, I forgot to mention. This valve here. Number 6 is the tricuspid valve. Moving very swiftly on again, it's number 7. Number 7 is this valve, so it's number 5, but the red number 5. So it's this valve here. You may not just be able to see that. Okay. Number 7 is the aorta valve. And that might help you with following up one. But let's have a look at number 8. This one here. So again, it's like the blue one of the red. So if you would like me to move that over a little bit, it's number 8 is here. This valve here. Okay, number 8 is the mitral valve. Moving on to number 9. These two veins here. Number 9 is the pulmonary vein. Number 10. Number 10 is exactly the same as the pulmonary vein, but it's pulmonary artery. And finally, last but not least, number 11. If you would just want me to move number 11 up, so you can see it. And number 11 is this tube just here. And number 10 was these blue tubes. And number 11 was this tube here. This tube here. Now, as I said with the number 7, this one here being the aorta valve, this can give you a clue because look where it leads. up here, and this is the aorta up here. So those were your 11 main heart valve. Those were your 11 main heart parts. If you would like to read them again, I would read them through them. Number 1 is the right ventricle. Number 2 is the left ventricle. Number 3 is the left atrium. Number 4 is the right atrium. Number 5 is the pulmonary valve, because obviously the pulmonary artery is up here, so it must connect. Remember, connections. Okay, sorry. Number 6 is the tricuspid valve. Number 7 is the aorta valve. Number 8 is the mitral valve. Number 9 is the pulmonary vein. Number 10 is the pulmonary artery. And number 11 is the aorta. I will now leave a diagram in front of you, and we advise you sketch it. This is another one, and as you can see, you have the right ventricle, left ventricle, left atrium, right atrium, and all the different valves here. We advise you sketch this and label all your valves in there. We will give you 10 more seconds to pause the video if you need it. Thank you for listening to our video, and as I said, we will have a video up shortly about these parts of the heart. Remember, do not revise 24/7, but when you do, make it effective. Thank you for watching.